Hey guys, today we are gonna be making slime. Well, not exactly. We're not gonna be making slime because I've already made it. I forgot. I was halfway through the process and then I ended up making it. But I will show you guys what it looks like. Where it's right here. All it is you take Tide and you take a measuring cup. It's not that hard, actually. Well, the first attempt, it was horrible. I'm dead serious. Like, it took so long to make. But this is what the measuring cup looks like. We use that. We need one-fourth of glue and just 1/4 of Tide, basically. Well, a little bit smaller of Tide, but then we were mixing it, and it was never working. So what we ended up doing was we took baking soda. I took a little bit of baking soda, about not even a spoonful, and then just tapped a little bit in there, and then I started stirring it up, and it's straight away, as soon as I put that in there, that came out. And then I put food coloring in it, so it's this. But when you do put food coloring in it, please wear gloves if you're already done, because that will stain your hands, and no one wants that, do they? Hey, look, the lights like disco ball. Dun, dun, Okay, enough of that, but you guys will be able to see my dog, Charlie. Charlie! Here he is. Charlie. Say hi. Say hi, guys. He's in a dark room. We're both in a dark room. So I'll turn on the lights and you can see him better. Okay. There's some lights in here, Charlie. Like those lights. Like those lights. Charlie. Hey, guys. There he is. There he is. There he is. There's my buddy, Charlie Maxwell Eldridge. My best friend. He has some toys. 1 toy, 2 toy, 3 toy. He has way more toys than that, but he has a bed, he has food, he has treats, and water. He is a very healthy dog, and I love him to the death. Help me. So that's my dog, Charlie, and I probably will do a fun video with him, but that will maybe be today, but that'll definitely be later. So, that's cool. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And hit that like button down below. And that will really help me out. Thank you. And if you guys want me to subscribe to your channel, type subscribe down there, and I will definitely subscribe to your videos, your channel, and have a good day. Bye.